Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to link a LinkedIn account on Canvas basis. Canvas basis is valuable to show your achievement and enhance your professional profile on LinkedIn. Canvas basis will be displayed on your LinkedIn profile under license and certification section. To link LinkedIn account on Canvas basis, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar on the top and type in www.badger.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Canvas basis. Now to link your LinkedIn account, you need to first log into your account. Here you'll be directly taken to your sign in page. Now here you can select a different reason by clicking on different reason option. If you don't have an account, click on create an account and continue the further process. Now here you can see you can log in using Facebook account, Google account, your Microsoft account, your LinkedIn account, your Temenos account or your Twitter account. I am going to log in manually. For that, first enter your email address that you have used to create your account on the given box. Then enter your correct password of your account. After entering those credentials, click on sign in option. Then you'll be logged into your Canvas basis account. Now here you can see you'll be directly taken to backpack section of Canvas basis. Now here you can see your profile name on the top right section of the website. Click on your profile name on the top right section. Then here you can see account settings option. Click on account settings. Then here you can see your information regarding your accounts. Now scroll down, then here you can see add linked account option. Now here you can select any of the following services. As we are going to link our LinkedIn account, click on LinkedIn option. Then here, it will direct you to another page. Now here you need to sign in to your LinkedIn account. You need to first enter your email address or your phone number that you have used to create your LinkedIn account. Then you need to enter your correct password of your account. Now if you don't remember your password, you can click on forgot password option. After entering your credentials, click on sign in option. With this, now your LinkedIn account will be linked to your Canvas basis. As you can see here, on the linked accounts, you can see my LinkedIn option. That means my LinkedIn account has been linked to my Canvas basis. Now I can use my LinkedIn account so that I can showcase my achievements that I have earned from completing the trainings and skills on the Canvas basis. This is how we can link LinkedIn account on Canvas basis. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.